Traders, how the devil are we? Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand the markets. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of March, and what we're going to do first is look back at yesterday's trades. But if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news, so stay tuned. Let's start with yesterday. So New Zealand US dollar was a trade idea and we were looking to sell it. And I've been in this trade for a couple of days now. Okay. And let's show you how I've been trading it. So we're still in a downtrend, right? Nothing's changed in terms of the bigger picture, the daily chart, right? Lower highs, lower lows. We're in a downtrend. And then if we look at the candles, yes, sellers are still in control. Sellers, buyers not doing much. And even this is a selling candle from yesterday. Okay. Now, I was in this trade. If we go to the H1, and this is why I hedge, guys, right? Hedging gives you this option. And if you're interested in hedging, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy in the Discord, all right? I talk a lot about hedging and there's lots of tutorials, all right? So come check it out. So I entered here, right? It was a H1 entry. Let's understand the first entry, actually. Okay, so price come down, just following H1 structure. Yeah, and we got this big bearish candle. I entered here. Okay, put my stop above here. Yeah, and I was looking to take price lower. Okay, that was my initial entry. Now, if we carry on and drag this price action across, you can see, yeah, I was selling here and I had a buy stop at 6022. Okay. Now, at this point, when price does this and hits this level, I'm in a buy and a sell at the same value. Okay. I'm not out of the trade, which is why I like hedging. It gives me an opportunity to get out of the trade and manage it. Although you do need to be careful with commissions because I will get hit with another commission with this buy. Okay. All right. Now at this point, and then we get, I'll show you on the H4 in a minute, we get a big, nice bearish H4 candle. Okay. I got a little bit of a retrace and then I just closed this buy hedge. Okay. And then put my new buy hedge. Yeah, a buy stop up here. Okay, I'm still in this sell hedge. And as you can see, price has come down and my original sell is now in profit. And I took a little bit of a loss on this buy stop here. Okay, and that's the position I'm currently in. So we're in profit for New Zealand US dollar. And that's how I hedge. If we look at the H4, yeah, it was this candle here. I actually put this grey zone in during the live stream. All right. And, you know, we see this time and time again. What was support over here becomes very good resistance over here. Okay. And then when I saw this nice big H4 bearish candle, this is, I also, you know, wanted to get out of the trade, get out of my buy hedge, you know, and price has been coming down nicely ever since. Still in this trade, still going to leave it to run. All right, so if it wasn't already in New Zealand US dollar, then this was a really nice candle to enter on. Okay, so that was the first trade from yesterday. And then the second trade, which is also going great guns, is Euro New Zealand. Yeah, and I didn't get into this because I was in New Zealand US dollar and I'd have been doubling my risk on the New Zealand dollar pairs. But this is, you know, going great. Again, if we look at the day chart, we would just follow structure. Yeah, I'm not saying, you know, trading's this simple thing that everyone can do. You know, it obviously isn't, but, you know, you can follow trend, right? Just follow trend. Yeah, and that will increase your probability of success. So Euro New Zealand is in an uptrend on the day chart, okay, and we're getting nothing but, you know, bullish. Even yesterday's candle was a little bullish, and, you know, it's looking quite bullish now. All right, so we were just trying to take it back up to this blue level here. This was a H4 trade, because if we look at H1, right, structure is just breaking down. This is the H1. Okay, structure is breaking down until it breaks this level. And this was the level I was interested. This candle would have been the catalyst for my trade. Okay, and then put my stop below here. But if you didn't trade, if you just look at the H1, it perhaps takes away a lot of that noise, yeah? And if you just follow H4 structure, yeah, it was a simple case of price retraced to a really nice support zone, yeah, both horizontally and the moving average 20. We got a nice bullish candle, enter, yeah, buy here, stop below here, you'll be nicely in profit as we speak. A lot of the guys in the VIP Trading Academy took this trade. Okay, so guys, yeah, if you want to join the VIP Trading Academy, it is free right now. Just check out the promotion that we're running. And those were the two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade analysis and trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash that notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel. Thank you. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 27th of March. Before we get started, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? Please come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. Come join our free Discord. All you need to do is create a username and we let you in. It's as simple as that. Also, guys, right now we are giving away the VIP Trading Academy for free if you open an account with our preferred broker. And also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so as well. So if you're interested in any of that, check it all out. It's in the video description. Also, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time today. Get your questions ready. And who likes my background today? Yeah, very psychedelic. Let me know if you like it, guys. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Which backdrop do you prefer? And don't say one with me not in it. Yeah. Okay, right, let's have a look at trades then, guys. So it's all about US dollar strength still. Okay, right, so US dollar is strong like bull. Okay, and again, we're going to start with the dollar index because this is a good indication of where the dollar is going. Okay, and again, if we just follow this dollar index, okay, we are here. Yeah, we're in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs, and it's got room to move into. Okay, if not further, right? And what I also like, yeah, if we zoom in now, I really like this. What was once resistance becomes very good support. Yeah, and that's what you're seeing. Look at this nice big bullish daily. This is a daily candle. Yeah, that tells me that the US dollar has more strength. Okay, because I'm showing you this, guys, because this is what I'm looking at today. And you can pretty much trade any of these, right? So euro, US dollar, okay, day chart. I'll go through all the US dollar pairs quickly because they're all pretty much the same trade. Okay, but day chart, we're in a downtrend. Yeah, nice big bearish candle, room to move into back down to here. Okay, I've actually just entered euro US dollar. So let me show you how and why. If we look at the H4, we're getting big bearish candles here as well. We're below the moving average 20. Yeah, closed back below this area of support and resistance. And now if we look at the H1, this is pretty much what I'm going to do with any of these US dollar pairs. And it is trade H1 structure, right? In fact, Yeah, let me put my target in, guys. Yeah, my target will be back down to here. Okay, and then, potentially leave some money to run. Okay, if we go to the H1 chart now, just follow H1 structure. So we were in this uptrend, and then yesterday we had a right sell-off. Yeah, this US dollar strength came storming back in, and now bang. Yeah, we've broken these lows. This is a continuation of trend, and I've just entered literally here. I'm selling here, stop above here, target here. And if you would like my trade signals and trade ideas, well, specifically my trade signals, take profit, entry, stop loss, then come join the VIP Trading Academy. This is where I put all of my trading signals. All right, so we're in Euro US dollar. But you could trade any of these, New Zealand US dollar, we're still interested. If we look at the day chart, okay, again, we're in this downtrend. Okay, downtrend. This is still a nice big bearish candle. Yeah, carry on selling, right? If we drop down to the H1, you can see we are at resistance with the New Zealand US dollar. Okay, but again, just follow H1 structure. Price comes up to here, maybe here, we get a nice reaction, start selling. Okay. Same with pound US dollar. Yeah, like I said, US dollar strength everywhere. I also like pound US dollar right now. Okay, but let's look at the day chart to start with. We are clearly in a downtrend, right? Yeah, lower highs, lower lows. And like with a lot of these US dollar pairs, what was once support has become resistance. We've seen this reaction. New Zealand US dollar, Euro US dollar. Yeah, and then we got a nice big bearish candle. So again, pound US dollar, we could take price back down to here, if not back down to here. Again, if we look at the H1, just follow H1 structure, which is breaking down nicely. Yeah, if we start up here, yeah, bang, we're in a downtrend. I'm going to look for potentially a retrace into here. Yeah, these last lows, moving average 20, get a bearish reaction. That would be a nice entry. Okay. And the last one is US dollar Swiss franc. I mean, this is tearing a bit. This may have a little less value than the others, but if we look at the day chart, yeah, again, just follow structure. So we are in an uptrend, right? Higher lows, higher highs. You don't have to be Warren Buffett to know that is in an uptrend. Also had a nice big bullish candle form yesterday, breaking this last high. This is what I like to see. This is momentum. When highs are getting taken out with big bullish candles, that is momentum to the upside. All right. And if we zoom out a bit, guys, you can see we've got this target here, basically this 9,100 level. Okay, back up to this first piece of resistance here, potentially higher, back up to here. But again, just follow H1 structure. So this is the H1. Okay, if we just keep following this up, perhaps if we get a move down to here and a nice big bullish candle, yeah, that could be an option. We start buying. Or, yeah, we can see there's a level here. We get a candle that breaks through this level. Yeah, we can start buying here as well. All right, guys, so that's all the US dollar pairs I'm looking at. I'm still keeping my eye on a couple of New Zealand pairs as well. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, there's so many trades today, guys. All right, so buckle up. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, I still think this has a bit more room, right? Yeah, we still have more room to take it back up to this grey zone. Yeah. So bearing that in mind, we're still, firmly in an uptrend. Yesterday's candle, I wouldn't exactly say is bearish. We've got a bottom wick, right? If we drop down to the H4, you can see this H4 level is holding, right? And then all I'm looking for is a structure break. Yeah, I say this time and time again. That's all I'm looking for. And you can see, guys, there is a nice area through here on the H1, right? And if we get a break of this level, I will start buying. All right. And also Euro New Zealand, yeah, this is still of interest as well. I mean, this is tearing. But again, if we look at the day chart, it still has a bit of room to move into for my first target, you know, if not further, guys, up to this level. All right, so there's room to move into. If we look at the daily candles, they're still bullish. Look at the bottom wicks. Wicks give you so much information, guys. Look at wicks. Wicks, price moves up. Bottom wicks. Bottom wicks, price moves up. Yeah, check out wicks. H1. Yeah, and again with H1 structure, obviously we are at a bit of resistance here. But if we just follow H1 structure, we're nicely in an uptrend. Perhaps we get a retrace back down to this level. Yeah, we can start buying. All right. So, yeah, lots of trades I'm looking at today, guys, but predominantly US dollar strength is the main catalyst for our trades today, but still looking at a couple of New Zealand pairs as well. Right, let's look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 27th of March. Before I show you the news, guys, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you're enjoying the analysis. And don't forget to join our trading community, the free Discord. Just create a username and come on in. Right, guys, news. Very light news day. The only one we're interested in is this 2:30 London GMT. We've got crude oil inventories. So obviously this can affect the US dollar, but it can also affect the Canadian dollar and obviously oil. All right. So other than that, guys, there's no other news of interest for us. Guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready for me. I'm ready for you. See you later.